Welcome guys, welcome to this lesson on Start Pro Connect Edition. Today we shall be designing a water tank structure. Okay, so choose your location. I'm working with metric, create. Yes, so the first thing I do is go to structure wizard, then frame models, reverse cylindrical, 9, 2. So here's 3. Okay, apply. Yes, so 0, 0, 0. Okay, so front view, I like these beams. Yes, then I like this one. Right click, new view. Okay, so come here, so add your beam cursor, this beam, add beam, so add a beam here. Okay, so it starts node at midpoint. Okay, select no cursor, highlight, move it y direction 0.5 up. Okay, yes, so add beams to that level and beams, connect beams to this node. So make sure you add beams. Okay, add beams. Okay, almost done. Okay, we are done. Then next thing is go back to the display structure. So this is it. Then escape, select this beam and this direction, new view. Okay, so we are going to put the slab here and we're going to mesh it. If we don't mesh it, water will have to be falling down. There's no place for the water to stay, so we have to mesh it. That way the slab will be. So meshing, so mesh a slab. Just mesh it peacefully. Okay, so our division will be 1. Change the division to 1. Sorry, so scroll down. So change it to 1. So okay, so we have this. Next thing is go back to the display structure. Okay, so we also need to form a slab along the walls. If not, water will be gushing out from the side. So select your beam cursor, front view, highlight everything. Then geometry, infill plates. So we have this. So next thing we do is to assign my properties. So define property for the column. I'm using 0.3. Add. Then for my beams, I'm using 0.3 and 0.23. So add, close. Next thing we do is select members parallel to Y. Assign to selected beams, assign. Okay, so view. Next thing we do is to assign the beam properties. So go back to your front view, select this, hold control for multiple selection, so make sure everything is selected. So so select this. So assign to selected beams, assign, yes. The next thing, our thickness, I'm using 0.15 and close. So assign to view, assign to all the plates in the view. So make sure you rotate to check that all plates are assigned. So all plates are assigned. So this is what we have. We have the structure. This is our structure. Okay. So the next thing I do is to assign support. So create support, fix, add. Also select the nodes down there. Make sure all the loads are selected. Okay. So this is it. Assign selected nodes. Assign. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to load it now. So loading. Add. First one is the dead load. DL. Add. Next one live load. And if you are interested in adding your wind load, I'm going to drop a link in the description for it, for a video I've done wind load on Staad Pro Connect edition before, so you can follow that step. So next one is define combination. The first one we have is the ultimate load. So you bring this 1.4, 1.6, and then the next one is service load. So you bring this to, so we have this load, service and ultimate load. So under my dead load, add self weight, and then floor load, plate load for screening. So let's say 1 minus 1, sorry, 1 in the global y local z direction, add, then in the y direction -1. Okay, sorry, 1.2 for screening, 50 mm screening, change 0.2. Okay, so this one for the global y direction, select plates, plate cursor, view, front view. I like these plates here. Assign to selected, just assign to selected plates, assign. So scrolling to see, now they are going the right direction. The next one is for this one, the side bars. So I like this, sorry, plate cursor, I like this, new view. Okay, so view everything. So assign to view, assign to view, assign to view. So make sure everything in the right direction. Okay, so display whole structure, assign the self weight, so everything assign to view, assign. Okay, then the next thing is my live load. So under my live load, I'm going to add the load of the water structure. So that will be hydrostatic load. So to assign it, you select plate, and select plate, I'm working with only the vertical plates, the side plates. So I light it, make sure all the plates are selected. Okay, done. Come back here, I'm going to work with 40 and 5. So y local z, add. So I've added it, then you close. So we have this type of load, our hydrostatic load on it. Then the next thing we do is to run our analysis. So come to analysis, define command, perform analysis, no prints, add, close, then run the analysis. Okay, so we have 0 error, 0 warning, 0 notes. So go to post processing, okay, so we can bring out our reaction, our beam reaction, our reaction. So select the text cursor to spread them apart so you can see it clearly. Okay, so thank you for watching today's video. I'll continue with the design tomorrow, next day. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much for today's video.